Hello everyone. Today we'll find the triplet number based on the array. So suppose uh, I just create the find numbers. Let's we can comment here. So let's say we have input array would be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 10. So and and the sum equal to 13. So and the output. So based on the array list, we can find three number that add to the 13. That sum would be three number. Sum would be 13. So uh, the output would be, let's say, we can iterate one by one. So before start writing the code, you have to be clear on this one. So how you calculate the 13? So you can, let's say you can add 1 and then 3 h4 and then 9 give you 13. And the second scenario would be 1 and then 5 and then 7. 5, 7, 12 is 13. It will be the 13. But before it will count, it will take the 1 and then next 3 and then iterated at the 10. So it will skip before getting a 5 and 7. So output would be 1, 3 and the 10. So uh, once we have a clear on this one, so we can simply write the program. So first of all, we use a boolean function. Let's say boolean. So boolean find three numbers and int a. The parameter would be size and sum. Okay, and start sum. So let's comment this one. So it will based on will return true if there is triplet with sum equal to sum present in a and print the triplet, right? So boolean. uh, so we simply use a for loop. So it will be the nested loop. We can use a for loop 3 times. So first we fix the first element as a I, right? So for loop int I equal to 0, I less than size minus 2, then I plus plus, right? So uh, the first beginning, the I beginning, it's count 0, and I is AR size minus 2 less than I, and then count 1. So first we get it. But this 2 is just put the, since we are uh, uh, making triplet, 3 number, so I just put the index number. So 0, 1, 2. So I just do the minus 2, and the second uh, let's say fix the second element a j, right? So for t again tj equal to I plus 1 and j minus 1, right? So and the third would be okay. Now for the third number, let's say k j plus 1 is k size, then limits. Mm. Uh, so we just iterate three times, three number. We found the three number and three number, and if the three number, so I plus j plus k uh, e e equal to sum, right? Uh, this is true equal to sum, then you can print uh, triple numbers are that make that makes sum 13, right? And 13 13 a I plus a j plus plus a k. And if that's true, then return true. Otherwise, if the number is not exist, uh, the number doesn't found that make up the sum 13, and then return false. False. Uh, okay, something's missing here. So uh, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we can write the driver code test function. So we will public main. So our test mm, 5 numbers. So new and this case would be so we have a 1 3 5 7 9 10, and the sum of that is 13. Record a dot length and the triplet find numbers. Okay, and so basically these are the input, and then sum would be 13, so we can test that so that the code will work. So I will walk through one more time. So since we have this input scenario, we simply iterate 3 times. So we have to find 3 numbers that add up to sum. So simply based on the boolean, if the return is true if there is a triplet sum equal to sum present in this scenario. So first number we find using for loop, and we will find the first number, and if first number found it, and then that will hold I plus plus, and then next element iterate, and then it will find the next number, and that's true, and then it will add j plus plus, and then third number found, the third number is found, and then it will add the k, or the a to the k, and if the 3 numbers are found and then added up, so if they are found, you can add I, j, and k equal to sum, and then these equal to sum is found, and then simply print, so triple print, and then it will give you true, so it will print, but if you just wanna true false, then just return true, and then if the number doesn't match or doesn't found, then simply return false. So we'll test that one. See, okay, so the triple number that makes sum 13 is 1 3 and 9, so its sum would be 13. Let's say we can, let's say okay, let's say we can change the sum here, testing case test case. Let's say we can eliminate this one 3, right, and then it works or not. So the sum number will be 13. So in this case it will found this one 1, and then again find 5, it will count 5, and then 7, so 5 is 6, and then 7 it's 13. Let's see, yeah, so one number you will found, so 1 5 7. So uh, the time complexity would be since we have a nested loop, so 3 times we use 3 nested loop, 1 2 3 4. So big of O n to the power 3. So that's the time complexity. So space complexity big O of 1. Uh, that's it. So it, there will be this one some people will ask when they interview a simple question. So just prepare for it. So that's all. Thank you.